Sellfy is a user-friendly platform that allows beginners to easily sell digital and physical products online. Here's a brief guide. Sign up. Create a Sellfy account by visiting the website and signing up. Use your email or login with Google or Facebook. Set up your store. After signing in, follow the guided setup process to create your online store. Customize your store by adding a logo, banner, and product categories. Add products. Upload your digital or physical products to Sellfy. Add product details, pricing, and descriptions. You can sell various digital items like ebooks, music, videos, and more. Configure payment settings. Set up your payment options. Connect your PayPal or Stripe account to receive payments directly. Customize store design. Personalize your store's appearance by choosing from Sellfy's customizable themes. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Enable instant payouts. Activate instant payouts to receive your earnings immediately after each sale, providing a faster and more convenient payout option. Promote your store. Utilize Sellfy's built-in marketing tools and integrations to promote your products. Share your store on social media, embed it on your website, and use email campaigns. Track sales and analytics. Monitor your store's performance using Sellfy's analytics. Track sales, customer behavior, and other metrics to make informed business decisions. Provide customer support. Offer excellent customer support through Sellfy's messaging system. Address customer inquiries and ensure a positive buying experience. Explore advanced features. As you become more familiar, explore advanced features such as discount codes, upselling, and integrations with third-party tools to enhance your selling strategy.